Alright, we made it back out to the crash site, so this is where we landed. And we're going up this hill. I know you can't tell by video, but it's about a 45-degree angle, if not more. We made it up this point. We got to that rock right there. Front left tire hit it, and popped us up. We were in forward momentum, so the car naturally came backwards. Landed on the roof about right there, and then tumbled down sideways right here. This is our landing spot. All right, well, this is where the tow truck dropped it last night after they took it off the course. We can kind of see the damage that we occurred last night after the rollover. Obviously broke the shock, ball joints are toast, doors took a beating, missing some plastics it looks like.
Sometimes you're the hammer, sometimes you're the nail.
We're definitely the nail. Crushed this door in pretty good. That was from the first rollover.
Dust clouds choke the sky, burning tires all around. Kicking up the side-by-sides, roaring engines loud.
Well, we made it back to camp. Long drive back. We've been driving for the last hour and a half or so.
I even took a nap.
Sleeping in the back, weren't you?
Yeah.